Hello friends, today I am explaining you how to install and configure Scroll to Top Widget plugin in nopCommerce. So before we start its installation process, we have to know about it features of Scroll to Top Widget plugin. So Scroll to Top Widget is helpful when you scroll your site. At that time it will display the icon at bottom, and when you click on that time it will go to the top of the site. So it's very helpful in nopCommerce site. So let's start its installation process. To go ahead with Scroll to Top Widget plugin, please install plugin in your nopCommerce site. So copy the widget Scroll to Top Widget folder. This folder is available in your downloaded folder. So you have to copy that folder and paste into presentation nop web plugins folder of your nopCommerce site. So here I have already set up the nopCommerce demo. In that, here go to the plugins folder and paste here that folder. This one is here, widget Scroll to Top Widget. After that, log into your admin panel of nopCommerce and select configuration plugins. Here click on login. So here logged inside. After that you have to go to the admin panel. That here click on administrator. In that go configuration menu and select plugins. In that, now click on reload list of plugins. There is one button available named reload list of plugins. Here this is here, click on that reload list of plugins. In that, find Scroll to Top Widget. This is here Scroll to Top Widget plugin. Now install scroll to top widget plugin. Click on here, install. So check it, plugin is installed or not. Here plugin is installed successfully. If here you have to check if there is enable is false, then you have to click on is enable is true. Here already is enable is true, so I have not added it. Okay, after installing the plugin, open the configuration of plugin. In that you have to click on check to enable and save it. Here this is the configuration of scroll to top widget plugin. Click on that. You have to enable, click on is enable equal to true and save it, otherwise it will not affect in your public store of nopCommerce site. After that, now open the public store of your nopCommerce site and scroll the cursor bottom. At that time it will display the one icon. When you click on that, then it will go to the top of the page. Here let's go to the public store of the site. When you scroll, at that time this is the one icon, and when you click on that it will go to the top. So enjoy your product description as well organized. If you require any further assistance or have questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching video.